Tired of your calls going nowhere? Let's ditch the frustration and get you confidently making calls with your Telnyx number. First, log into your Telnyx portal. This is your command center for everything Telnyx. You'll need your username and password, which you hopefully saved somewhere safe. If not, use the password recovery option. Once logged in, navigate to the Outbound voice profiles section. Think of this as your outbound call configuration. You might have one already set up, or you might need to create a new one. If you need to create a new one, click the Create New Outbound Profile button. Next, select the Telnyx phone number you want to use for making the call. This is the number that will appear on the recipient's caller ID, so choose wisely. You can select it from the drop-down menu. Now, you will need a Softphone application on your computer or mobile device. Popular choices include Zoiper or similar apps. Download and install the application that best meets your needs. Open your chosen Softphone and configure it using your Telnyx credentials. This typically involves entering your SIP username, password, and the Telnyx SIP domain. This information is usually found in your Telnyx portal under the specific number you are using. With your Softphone configured, you're ready to dial. Open the dial pad in your Softphone and enter the phone number you wish to call, including the country code. So, for example, if you are calling a US number, add 1, if you are calling the UK, add 44. Finally, click the call button, and you should be connected. Now you can effectively communicate with your contacts using your Telnyx number. Happy calling!